In a sun-drenched forest clearing, the hare exudes an air of unbearable smugness, tapping his foot impatiently as he awaits the start of the race. The tortoise slowly trudges toward the starting line, a stark contrast to the hare's cocky demeanor. A diverse assembly of animals is gathered, their expressions a blend of amusement and curiosity as they anticipate the unfolding spectacle. The hare's arrogance fills the air as he taunts. "Ready to lose, slowpoke? This will be over before you even start." The tortoise remains silent, his gaze fixed on the path ahead, unperturbed by the hare's boastful challenge. The starting gun explodes, unleashing a surge of adrenaline as the race ignites with fierce competition. The hare explodes off the line, a fleeting shadow against the earth, mocking the tortoise. Laughter echoes as the hare, with a backward glance, belittles the tortoise's distant struggle. Plenty of time to snooze, that tortoise won't catch up in a million years. Under the deceptive shade of a tree, the hare succumbs to slumber, dreaming of victory as the race unfolds. Dust-covered but determined, the tortoise inches closer, the finish line a testament to his relentless spirit. A wave of triumphant cheers erupts from the assembled animals, celebrating the tortoise's victory. The tortoise crosses the finish line, greeted by a chorus of cheers. In stark contrast, the hare awakens from his slumber, stretching languidly, unaware of the unfolding triumph. The hare's eyes widen in disbelief as he witnesses the tortoise being celebrated, his jaw dropping in astonishment. Amidst the jubilation, the tortoise declares, "Slow and steady wins the race."